Hi everybody, just wanted to do a little video here on the Vego garden base metal beds. Now before I go on, just want to let you know, if you go on the link right below this video, you can get 5% off your total purchase. You can go to the Go site using that link below and you will get free shipping, you'll get the specials, but you use this link and you're going to get 5% off on top of that from your order. Now, I wanted to go over a few of the advantages of the Vego gardening system. I truly believe that they're the number one brand when it comes to the modular raised beds. These materials, they've tested them, and they come out on top all the time. You know, the guy that made this company is actually an organic gardener himself, so he knows, the importance of the materials lasting, being inexpensive, not having any issues as far as being toxic or harmful, to the environment or to the vegetables you're growing, obviously. They have the L shape, they have circular ones. Like I said, you got to check it out. They got a lot of different options. They test and manufacture their own products, and I think they definitely have the best price and the best quality. If you want, you can always get extension kits from them. They also sell those, and bracing rods. They have 7 days a week customer service, and these beds will last over 20 years, where you use your own. If you make them a pressure treated wood, even though nowadays they don't use the same kind of really bad arsenic and that kind of stuff they used to put on them before, still something that is not natural the way it should be. So I wouldn't really trust making my beds out of pressure treated. Pine doesn't really last that long. Cedar lasts better and it's a better product, but still it's not going to compare to the amount of time that this will last with the alu zinc and the paint coating they use on it. They have also protective plastic on top that's very sturdy, that'll last a long time as well. They're very, very strong. If you hit them, they're very strong. I mean, this thing, it's going to last for a long time. Cancel the cruise control, switch it in the manual. Don't you want to feel right?